Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to my morning talk, y'all. Today I'm kind of late. I think I'm gonna be late moving forward a lot. This is gonna become a new normal for me, y'all. I'm usually doing morning talk really early, maybe like 5 in the morning. But no telling when y'all get the video, because for some reason my videos take so long to upload. But it's like 9 o'clock. I haven't did nothing this morning. And I'm so excited about doing nothing. And I'm not even gonna say I haven't done anything. I prayed this morning. I didn't watch any videos. I didn't do none of that. I actually went to the store this morning at like 7. I did a lot of stuff today, but I didn't do my normal. So as I sat here and I was finna do something else that I haven't done, I realized that if you want, I didn't realize this. I thought about it because I had already known this. I guess in a sense, I did realize it, right? If you want things to change in your life, you have to change something, right? So my last video, I was saying about how I needed to make changes and I was changing things. And I just sat here thinking like, man, in that season of my life, I did all that stuff. Now I'm doing a totally different thing. It's just amazing to me how we overthink so much that we don't even realize that we can the way we think ourselves into a problem, we can think ourselves into winning. If you just sit down and think about what you're thinking about, like I always say, and you think all of this that I'm doing, is it getting me closer to where I want to be at in my life? Even if those things are positive, right? And if you say no, all you got to do is make some changes. Make some changes. Small changes that I've made in the last couple of weeks has changed my life in an amazing way. And I already was doing a lot of positive things. So now I'm implementing new positive things. It is amazing. Saying all of this to say, are you willing to change? I don't care if you is where you want to be at in life right now. Because you know that even though you're where you want to be at today, tomorrow, that may not be where you want to be at. So you're going to have to do different things. You see what I'm saying? So my question to you and myself, are you willing to change your routine or change your mindset to get you where you're trying to go? And this is the same stuff. It be so crazy because when I watch these videos over and over again, I say the same stuff. But this stuff, it's like sometimes when I see it in a different way. And it blessed me. Y'all don't know, listen, I watch my own videos. I literally watch it like I'm watching all the other videos. And then I'll be like, dang, did she say that? I'm crazy. I'll be like, oh my God, let me rewind. Let me go back a little bit. Because I bless myself when I say the same thing, because today I'm a different person. That's what we got to realize. Every day you are a different person. Every day you wake up with a new mindset. Every day you wake up with new mercy and new grace. You are a different person every day. If you allow yourself to be a different person, you could be the same person you was yesterday if you're going to think the same way you was thinking yesterday. But today it's only 9 o'clock. We all have a chance to do whatever it is that we want to do today, or to do things to get us closer to where we want to be at in life. So you have to make the proper changes so that the changes can affect you in some type of way. So I'm excited. I'm going to tell y'all what I'm about to do. I have a prayer journal, and I haven't been consistent. So I'm about to write in my prayer. About to write in my prayer journal. I have 2 new journals. I'm about to write out my videos for the week. In one video, in one journal, I'm gonna write out my plan for the week, far as the next week, Monday. I'm gonna write out my goals as far as my health. I'm gonna write out my goals as far as my writing. I really honestly want to write 2,000 words a day. And I'm writing 3 books right now at one time. So I'm all over the place with that. But at the same time, I only write when I'm led. So my goal is to have all of these books done by March. But even if I'm not done, that's fine. Because see, this is one thing I do that I probably will never change. And I'm saying that because that's how I feel today. I always aim higher than expected, right? I've always been like this. When I'm focused on something, baby, I'm focused on it. It ain't no let up. You feel me? When I'm really into something. So I always aim higher than expected for myself, not for nobody else. So even if I say I want to finish all 3 books by March, even if I finish 2 books, that's still more than enough. You see what I'm saying? That's over. Oh, that's too much already. 2 books by March. That's like 90 days. And in 90 days, I'm gonna write 2 books. Really, that's a lot. But it's actually really not a lot. So if I hit the 3 books, listen, y'all gotta get this. You have to have a big goal, a huge goal. And then you have to break that huge goal down into sections. And when you break it down into sections and you do these things that's in this section, I just be making up stuff as I go. If you break small things down, okay, you have a huge goal, right? This is the overall goal. But in order to get here, it's certain things that you have to do. So you have to break these things down into sections, right? And when you accomplish and you get to those 3 things, when you get to those 3 things and you accomplish those, that make the big goal easier. Saying all this to say, my goal is to do 5 books this year, period. 5 books this year. So if I can write 3 books in 90 days, by March, I'll be halfway completed the goal for the 12 months of the whole entire year. You see what I'm saying? So I be doing some whole nother other stuff, y'all. You know what I mean? So that's just how I do things. But anyway, I don't even know how I got off into that. But saying all that to say, you have to aim high. You have to make changes. You have to make changes. I'm not going to stress this enough. The way that I tell you guys, you have to love yourself. You have to love on yourself. You have to love on yourself. I have been pushing that down y'all throat for the last couple of months. Love on yourself. Love on yourself. And I'm about to start pushing this. You have to make changes. You have to make changes in order for your life to change and become better. And my better may not be your better. Everybody better is on the level that they want that to be for them. You might look at my life and say, dang, you doing too much. And I might look at yours like you're not doing enough. But where you at right there, that's your level. That's your level of win. That's your level of where you want to be at in your life. And if that's where you want to be at, you do the best right there where you at. You feel me? But if you want to be somewhere else and you want to feel better and you want to do better, you have to make changes. You cannot stay right there. And that's so crazy for me that I'm getting this reality or thinking about this different, because everything that I do on a day-to-day basis it helps me become better. But when you do one thing for too long, you have to make changes to those things and find new things. I have to find new people, new motivation. I have to find new motivational people to watch every day now. I have to find new videos. I like all this stuff. I have to make all of these changes. I have to learn, like I have a publishing company. I have to learn stuff that I don't know nothing about. You know what I mean? So now if I want to be a successful publisher and publish 50 books this year, it's certain things that I have to change about myself. I have to change completely. So it's crazy, but truth be told, in order to win, you got to change. And if you don't want to change who you are, you ain't gonna win. You gonna win right there where you at, and maybe that's the best place for you. Maybe that's where you need to be. But for me, the win that I'm trying to win in a different way. So I can't stay right here where I'm at, mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually. I can't stay right here. There's no way in the world that I can stay here with all the things that I want to accomplish in my life. It's no way. And I'm not going to do it, period. So saying all that to say, we got to get this together, y'all. We got to get this together. Are you willing to change to become who you really want to be? And then you got to ask yourself, who do you want to be? Because who you are today may not even be who you want to be. You might have made up this. You might be a made up person. You might be lying to yourself. Who are you when no one's watching? Who do you really want to be, baby? Who are you? Get to the bottom of who you is. That'll help you with everything too. But anyway, I'm going to let y'all go because I have a lot of stuff to do today. And that's crazy. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm about to create a new normal. I'll tell you guys what I did tomorrow or maybe tonight if I can pull myself to do a video tonight. But for the most part, love on yourself is the most important thing you can ever do for yourself outside of winning on the level that you want to win on. If you Love on yourself. Your life will change. Your atmosphere will change. Your energy will change. Your vibration will change. Y'all know that just really upset me. Everything about who you are will change when you start to love yourself. That's the best thing. That's the best advice I can get anybody. Anybody. A kid, a baby, anybody. Loving on yourself. I honestly believe today, may not be tomorrow, today, I honestly believe the key to true happiness and true peace is God, of course. But outside of God, the key to feeling better and the key to opening up your life in a way that will change your life forever is loving on yourself and becoming your true self. I honestly believe that today. I don't know about tomorrow, but I honestly believe that. That's the best thing you can do. That's the key. And that's the secret to feeling better and becoming the person that you were meant to be. Y'all enjoy y'all day, and do not forget, y'all, love on yourself.